Hey Whiskers, Kimonie here, and today in my kitchen we'll be making some triple chocolate brownies in the microwave. Yes, you heard right, we're making triple chocolate brownies in the microwave. If you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching. Let's do this. Okay, so if you're new, then welcome to my channel. If you're not new, welcome back. As you would already know, the ingredients and the measurements will be listed down below in the description box. So go check it out and give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like recipes like these and all those great stuff. You can also find me on all social media at Golden Whisk Ja. I also have a personal page at Kimonie_Hall. If you want to find me, the link will also be down below in the description box. So for this brownie, you can put it together in literally a minute, and it takes another minute to cook. So guess what? Brownie in 2 minutes. So I just combined all my ingredients in my bowl, gave it a quick mix, and then I'm going to pour it into my prepared container. Now remember, you're doing this in the microwave, which means that your container or bowl or cup or whatever you choose to do this in, it has to be microwave safe. As you can see, I'm using a normal square plastic container. You can use any microwavable safe container. You can also do it in the bowl that you mix this in if you're just going to eat it. I wanted it to be square for my thumbnail, and so that's why I did it in this container. You can also make it in a cup or on a plate. Either way, so I'm just lining my container with some parchment and some non-stick spray, cooking spray, that's what it's called. So that's what I'm doing so that it's easier to release from my pan so that I could get a good thumbnail. And now the amazing angle of me pouring or attempting to pour my batter into my container. Okay, so after transferring your batter into your prepared container, you can just bake this in your microwave for a minute to a minute and a half, depending on your microwave and your likeness. But I decided to take it a step further by adding a secret ingredient, which you'll see now. Nutella. Nutella makes everything better. So I just added a few dollops and streaks and stuff on top, randomly placed, of course, and then I'm going to give it a little swirl so it's kind of like a marble topping, if that makes sense. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. This step is completely optional, of course, but it does make your brownie look so much better. You can also add some chopped nuts or some chocolate chips or a whole chocolate bar on top if you'd like. But just customize this recipe the way you'd like. This is how I like mine, and so that's what I did. Then all you do, bake it in your microwave. Okay, so just like any other brownie, even though it's cooked, it will seem undercooked. And so all you need to do is to let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, which is probably the hardest step, but that will give you the firmness, the fudginess, and you know, that brownie texture that you're looking for. If you don't really mind that and you're just here for the taste, then you can eat it immediately out of the microwave. So this is what it looked like, and as you can see, it's firm enough for you to hold it in your hand after letting it sit, and inside is very fudgy, and the chocolate chips were melted, and it was just a goodness. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you try this recipe. If you do, let me know how it turns out for you. I'll see you next week with another video. Until then, stay golden. I just hit my head in the cupboard. Phone just fell in the... I'm literally here filming, and the phone fell in the brownie. And then they love me making the tutorial. Like, I don't know what point is there, but it doesn't get a blooper. Like, oh my word.